Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, we welcome all of you in our Tamam Education Hub. Dear students, today we are going to learn the subject of basic cost accounting, in which we have a topic cost accounting cycle. Students, let's start to move our topics problem number 9, which is taken from the book of Professor Suhail Afzal. Students, in this problem, we will use the two separate journals, like as head office books and factory office books, because it is required to pass the transaction both the books of head office and factory office. Students, let's start to read this problem, which is in front of your screen. Students, this is the problem number 4.9. Payroll entries, different variation, head office of fine manufacturers is in Multan, and their factory is located in Bahawalpur. Following are payroll data for one pay period. Student, this problem is consisted at three requirements. Number 1, to pass the entries, to maintain the accounts on the behalf of payroll. Accounts is maintained at head office for all employees. This is the first requirement, in which payroll account is maintained at head office book only. Student, the second requirement is factory maintains its own payroll for factory employees. This is the second requirement. And the third requirement is payroll clearing account is not maintained. Payroll clearing account is not maintained. This is the third requirement. Friends, let's move above to deal the firstly the first requirement, in which the Payroll account is maintained at head office for all employees. Students, let's start to pass the given transactions stepwise as per given problem. Students, the part A transaction is gross earnings. Gross earnings here. This is the amount is 4,50,000 rupees. Reduction provident fund rupees 45,000 rupees and income tax withheld is 5,000 rupees here. The overall deduction is 50,000 rupees, which is deducted from the gross payroll. Then the actual value which is paid or net earning is 4 lakh rupees here. The students, it is saying about the payroll account is maintained at head office book. For this purpose, we have to start the first entry in the book of head office here. The part A. This is the part A. The payroll is debited at a gross amount which is 4,50,000 rupees here. Now students, we have to debit the payroll and the gross amount here, which is the 4,50,000 rupees here. 4,50,000 rupees here. ₹4,50,000 here. Friends, the deduction is provident fund payable in the form of 45,000 rupees and income tax withheld is 5,000 rupees and accrued payroll is 4 lakh rupees here. Friends, this is the first entry as a to pass entries against the payroll here. Now the B part transaction is voucher for the pay period is prepared. For this purpose, we have to debit the account accrued payroll here 4 lakh rupees and the voucher payable is prepared against accrued payroll, which is the amount is 4 lakh rupees here. Now students, this is the B transaction which has been passed in the book of head office. Now we move the next transaction like as C, voucher for the pay period is paid. Now in C transaction we have to debit the voucher payable 4 lakh rupees and bank account is the credit form. The payment has been made, all the employees. Friends, the last entry which has been passed in payroll is the closing the payroll here. For this purpose, we have to distribute the payroll amount in different sectors like as direct labor, indirect labor, salaries of marketing department, salaries of general office here. For this purpose, we have to pass entries in head office book as in this manner. Firstly, the factory ledger is a combination of two costs, direct labor cost and indirect labor cost, which is the amount is 4,05,000 rupees, which is the amount is 4,05,000 rupees here. Friends, in the book of head office, the factory should be debited because all the payments which are occurred at the time of production, which is paid by the head office on the behalf of factory office. For this purpose, in head office book, the factory should be debited all the amounts which are occurred in the factory. Now students, marketing expenses amount is 45,000 rupees here, 45,000 rupees here. Admin expenses is 22,000 rupees, 22,500 rupees here as a marketing expenses, and admin expenses also 22,500 rupees here. Students, the payroll amount is 4,50,000 rupees. The payroll has been closed here. Now students, we move the next transaction like as E, in which fine manufacturers contribute an equal amount towards provident fund as detected here. Now the provident fund amount is 45,000 rupees, which is also contributed by the employer for his employees. For this purpose, we have to make a ratio between their cost, like as direct labor cost, ratio indirect labor cost, ratio marketing cost, and admin cost here. Dear students, the direct labor cost is 3,60,000 rupees here. Indirect labor cost 45,000 rupees here. Then we have to put the all cost in the form of ratio here. The simplification form is 16 ratio, 2 ratio, 1 ratio, and 1. Now students, we have to add up the direct labor and indirect labor ratio in single form, which is the 16 plus 2, 18 here. The sum up is 18 plus 1 plus 1. 18 belongs to the part of share of direct or indirect labor. 1 is a part of marketing expenses, and other one is the part of admin expenses here. The sum of is 20. Now students, we distribute the provident fund as per given ratio to direct or indirect labor cost, marketing cost, and admin cost here. Students, you know here that the direct labor cost and indirect labor cost here is charged to factory overhead control here. For this purpose, we have to take as a factory overhead control shares in provident fund, which is the 18 out of 20. The simplification form is 9 out of 10 multiplied by 45,000 rupees here. This is amount is for 40,500 rupees here. This is the share of factory overhead control against direct and indirect labor cost here. Now, marketing expenses shares in provident fund is 1 out of 20 multiplied by 45,000 rupees here. The amount is 2,250 rupees, same as admin expenses also the same amount, 2,250 rupees. Now students, we have to pass this distribution entries in the book of head office and factory office here. Students, factory's amount is 40,500 rupees, which which is debited in the head office book. Now marketing expenses 2,250 rupees and also 2,250 rupees as a admin expenses. The sum up is 45,000 rupees here. Student, these are entries which are passed in the book of head office. Now we move the factory office books here. The entry will be passed in this manner. Factory overhead control as a 40,500 rupees and the general ledger is 40,500 rupees here. This is the entry against the provident fund which is contributed by the employer to his employees. Student, this is our first requirement which has been completed here. I think you understand about this requirement. Now we move again below the second requirement. So this is the second requirement. Factory maintains its own part of payroll for factory employees here. For this purpose, in the book of head office payroll is maintained. Office payroll means admin payroll and selling payroll here, and factory ledger payroll. Are the debited form and provident fund payable, income tax withheld, accrued payroll is a credit form here. Now we put the office payroll amount here, which is the amount is 45,000 rupees here. Factory ledger is 4,05,000 rupees here. The provident fund amount is 45,000 rupees here. Income tax is 5,000 rupees. And the accrued payroll is 40,000 rupees here. 4 lakh rupees here, sorry. 4 lakh rupees here. This is the first transaction which is passed in the book of head office. Now we move the factory office book, which is maintaining its own payroll here. Factory payroll amount is 4,05,000 rupees. On the behalf of general ledger, then the general ledger should be credited in factory office book 4,05,000 rupees here. Students, this is the entry which is passed in the book of factory office against the factory payroll. Now, the second part is voucher for the pay period is prepared. For this purpose, we have to debit the accrued payroll and credit the voucher payable. For preparing it, so this is the 4 lakh rupees as a accrued payroll and voucher payable is preparation of voucher payable is amount 4 lakh rupees here. Now students, the C part is voucher for the pay period is paid. Then we have to debit voucher payable and credit the bank account for the payment 4 lakh rupees as a debit in the form of voucher payable and credit bank account for payment is made to the employees here. Now students, the closing entry will be passed as a payroll. For this purpose, in head office book, there are 2 accounts which are belong to the head office, like as marketing and admin payroll. The amount about these accounts is 22,500 rupees as a market expenses and administration expenses is 22,500 rupees here. Now the sum up is 45,000 rupees here. This is the closing payroll against the admin and marketing in the book of head office. Now we move the factory office book for closing the payroll. Working process is the account which is directly belong to the direct labor cost. The direct labor cost is 3,60,000 rupees. Factory over control amount is 45,000 rupees. The sum up is 4,05,000 rupees here. Student, this is the entry at the time of closing the payroll in factory. Friend, now we move next transaction which is given below. Find manufacturer contributes an equal amount towards provident fund as detected. This provident fund amount is 45,000 rupees, which is distributed in the given separate costs like as direct labor, indirect labor, marketing expenses and admin expenses here. Friend, the ratio among the cost is direct labor cost is 3,60,000 rupees, indirect 45,000 rupees, marketing and admin are the same cost like as 22,500 rupees here. Now students, the simplification form is 16 ratio 2 ratio 1 ratio 1. This is the 16 plus 2 is the 18, which is belong to factory over control as a direct labor and indirect labor. That meaning both the ratios is 1 and 1, which is belong to the admin and marketing here. The sum up is 18 plus 1 plus 1. This is the 20. Now we distribute the provident cost in given sector. Factory over control share in provident fund is 9 out of 10. This is the amount 45 multiplied by 45,000 rupees. The amount is 40,500 rupees. Marketing expenses is 1 out of 20 multiplied by 45,000 rupees. This is the amount 2,250 rupees. Same as below in admin expenses, also 2,250 rupees here. Now we pass the entry in the book of head office and the factory office book. In head office book, firstly the factory ledger is 40,500 rupees is the contribution of a provident fund on the behalf of factory here. Marketing is the 2,250 rupees and also 2,250 rupees here. The sum up is 45,000 rupees here. Student, this is the entries against the provident fund which is contributed by the employer to his employees here. Now in the book of factory over control is debited 40,000 rupees, 40,500 rupees, sorry, and the general ledger is credited 40,500 rupees here. Student, this is the final entry against the second requirement. I think you understand about this problem clearly. Now we move the third requirement which is below here. Third requirement is payroll clearing accounts is not maintained. Students, on the behalf of the third requirement, the following entries will be passed in the book of head office and factory office book here. Firstly, we have to pass the entry in the book of head office as a selling expenses, which is the amount 22,500 rupees, and the admin expenses also the same amount 22,500 rupees here. Factory ledger is 4,05,000 rupees here. Student provident fund is payable as the amount of 45,000 rupees. Income tax to be held is the 5,000 rupees, and the accrued payroll is 4 lakh rupees here. Students, these entries are passed in the book of head office at the starting of payroll. Now we move the factory books where we have to pass entry against working process and factory work control as a debited form, because working process belong to the direct labor cost and factory work control is belong to the indirect labor cost here. The working process as a direct labor cost is 3,60,000 rupees, and the factory work control cost is 45,000 rupees, and general ledger is credited the amount 4,05,000 rupees here. Student, this is the entry as a payroll in the book of factory. Now payroll clearing account is not maintained at all. At all. Now students, the payment of payroll is not accrued payroll should be debited for the preparation of net amount which is paid to the employees. The amount is 4 lakh rupees, same as voucher payable is credited. Now the payment is made. For this purpose, we have to debit the voucher payable amount 4 lakh rupees here, and the credit bank account. The payment is made to the employees here. Now, students, the D part is the distribution of gross pay earning as follows. The same pattern is used, which is used above in both the requirements. Factory ledgers is 4,500 rupees. Marketing 2,250 rupees, and the admin is also 2,250 rupees here. The sum up is 45,000 rupees here. In the book of head office, now we move in the book of factory. The Factory overhead control is 40,500 rupees, and the general ledger is 40,500 rupees here. Students, this is the third requirement which has completed in front of you. Students, in this problem there are three methods is given to prepare the payroll accounts, like as number one method is payroll account is maintained at head office for all employees. The second method is factory maintain its own payroll for factory employees. And third method is payroll clearing account is not maintained at all. Students, these are three methods which has presented before you in this problem. Students, for learning point of view, you have to take more and more practice on this problem, so that you can learn and expert to pass the given transactions entries in the books of head office and the factory office. Students, dear students, I think you understand, you have understood and cleared all three requirements. Students, if you have any queries and any problems which is occurred at the time of preparation of this problem, after, please inform me about your problem and comments in my channel about this queries, so I can try my best to remove about your problem. Friends, it is requested all of you, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Students, take care. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.